We all have it. That one room, no matter how you decorate it, always feels so cramped and just never quite right. Hi, I'm Abby with Boulevard Home. Today we're gonna give you our top 10 best decorating tips to make a small room feel bigger. Tip number 1, use a lighter color palette. Dark colors absorb light, making a room feel really small and cramped, while lighter colors reflect light, making a room feel open and airy. If you're looking for a paint color other than white, we recommend using pale blues, greens, or yellows. And if you can't give up designing with dark colors, try using dark accessories instead of dark furniture. Tip number 2, emphasize the vertical. One of the biggest culprits of making a room look smaller than they are is low ceilings. Even if a room has a lot of floor space, low ceilings betray the space by making the room feel small and compact. Emphasize the vertical lines in the room. You can do this by painting vertical lines on a wall or hanging vertical shiplap. Try hanging curtains 6 inches above the window, making those ceilings look taller than they are. And avoid low-hanging lighting like chandeliers. Tip number 3, use large rugs only. If you're going to use a rug, use a larger rug because larger rugs expand the appearance of floor space, while smaller rugs chop up the room into smaller sections. Tip number 4, brighten up a room. For example, hang a mirror across from a light source. It will reflect light and brighten up the room. Another thing you can do to brighten up your room is use multiple sources of lights, like lamps. Using white light bulbs is better than using yellow lights just because it creates a brighter appearance. Tip number 5, use multi-purpose furniture. Using furniture that also serves as storage is a great way to avoid clutter, like coffee tables with lifting tops, nesting tables, or ottomans with hidden storage. Tip number 6, clear a path. Make a clear path throughout the room. There should be more than one way to enter a sitting area or to get onto the bed. Give your furniture some space. For example, if you're using nesting tables, condense them when they're not being used. Tip number 7, avoid thick lines. Furniture with thick, heavy legs are out. Thin, skinny legs are in. Look for furniture that has long legs. It'll heighten your furniture and give the illusion of more floor space. Tip number 8, bring nature inside. Plants make for beautiful pops of natural color. Plus, plants clean the air around them and provide oxygen, giving the room a fresh and airy feel. If you'd like to learn more about low-maintenance indoor plants, check out our blog. Tip number 9, resist using noisy patterns. Using multiple patterns in one room can be difficult to balance. Use simple patterns in your art, furniture, pillows, and blankets. And if you want to use pattern wallpaper, try to avoid heavy patterns and dark colors like this. Use a pattern wallpaper like this instead. It's lighter, the pattern's less busy, and the pattern's vertical, so it elongates your walls, making your ceilings look taller. Our last tip for you is to keep it simple. Don't go overboard in color, furniture, accessories, or wall art. Thanks for watching our video, like and subscribe, and be sure to comment below what your favorite design tip was.